Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Monroe County is taking a really hard look at its ambulance service. This comes after an incident in Smithville that raised concerns about response times and care from MedStat. At this August meeting, Smithville Fire Chief Scott Morgan said that he saw a lack of professionalism and missing equipment on scene. Supervisors approved a new ambulance advisory committee that's made up of fire chiefs, 911 officials, and a sheriff's office representative. County Fire Coordinator Evan Adams says the biggest complaint's simple: not enough ambulances available when they are needed. Officials want the new contract with MedStat to include a fourth ambulance for the county and clearer rules for calling in a medical helicopter. The board's president, Ribble West, says the goal is simple: fix what is broken. Also, the Monroe County supervisors discussing a $5.4 million plan to repair Aberdeen's failing port dock wall with a state grant application that is due very soon. The county is applying for a $500,000 state grant that would require a dollar-for-dollar match. That application is due this week. Officials say the repair could open the door to major economic development. A new dock wall would last more than 50 years. You can read both of these stories right now in the Monroe Journal. Well, it is game on. The Tupelo family feud returning Thursday night to the cotton mill. It is the fourth year for this fundraiser supporting the Good Samaritan Health Services Antone Tannehill Clinic. Executive Director Hannah Meharry says the event provides about a third of the nonprofit's annual budget, funding free care for uninsured and unemployed residents. The night will kick off with a dinner at 6 p.m. and then the fun gets rolling. This year's game rounds longer this time with new sound and new screens to match. They have cranked everything up a notch. Tickets are $125. They're almost sold out. You can find tickets and more information at goodsamaritantupelo.org, or go ahead and pause this video and scan that QR code there on your screen to get your tickets. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Have a great night.